Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Chevy Avalanche LTZ four-wheel drive, stock number Z7900X. 78,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Avalanche brand new. We also have all of the service history for it, black in color. Power running boards automatically come out when you open the door. Seats 5, leather interior. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Rear audio controls. Seat bottoms flip forward and the seat backs fold down for additional cargo space. When you fold both sides, the mid-gate wall will also fold down, turning a 5-foot box into an 8-foot box. Rear window with defrost is also completely removable. Lockable storage on both sides of the bed. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package, and that backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Fully composite bed with removable rubber cargo liner. 3-piece removable tonneau cover. And very clean, as you can see. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated as well as cooled front seats with memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, moonroof overhead, large easy to read gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation. Radio, it's also satellite radio capable. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, make sure everyone's comfortable. And power adjustable pedals, perfect for shorter drivers. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Avalanche has a 5.3 liter V8, 320 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Avalanche, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.